Today I'm going to be giving you guys my top 3 crypto to invest in for 2022 for maximum gains. Let's get into the video. First off, I do want to mention that you guys can get a free stock worth all the way up to $500 with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1 on public, which is actually what we are going to be using in this video for these stock charts, and you're going to get up to $500 with the free stock. I personally got a $300 stock of Amazon a week ago. A couple of days ago I got a $50 stock worth of Shopify. If you guys want to try your luck with that, go ahead and use the first link in the description. But anyways, let's get into the first crypto for today that you guys need to be buying in 2022 for maximum gains. So basically the way I picked these cryptos for this video is I picked 3 cryptos which I think are very undervalued right now to where they should be in the coin, in the market cap rankings. Currently Solana is the 7th cryptocurrency by market cap. It currently has a $54 billion market capitalization, which is massive, but not as big as some other cryptos such as Ethereum or Bitcoin, things of that nature. I think Solana is probably the 3rd most valuable crypto right now, yet they're valued at number 7. And I think that because they have an NFT platform, they have a very, very fast blockchain, and we'll get more into that in a second. But I would like to go over their metrics. Over the last year, Solana has done 1,500%. It might even be more. I don't know when public started tracking, but anyways, yeah, it was basically like literally $1, and now it is $106. So that's where we're at for the year. In the last week, we're up 18%. If you guys don't know, on our private Discord, we've been selling, putting out these alerts for Solana, and they have been paying off. But yeah, Solana up 6% today as well, and I think they have a ton more to go. They kind of cooled off this last month, had a bit more losses than some other people, but Solana is probably my favorite buy in the market right now, and that is because it is powerful for developers, fast for everyone. This is very beneficial to the everyday investor, the everyday person that wants to use crypto, as well as for developers. So you can see here the transactions per second. There's about 2,600 transactions per second. You can see there's been 55 billion transactions to this day, and the average cost per transaction, which is the really big thing, is only like literally 1/100th of a cent, or 2/100ths of a cent. So they have 1,500 validator nodes. A lot of people have kind of talked about Solana not being able to handle some of this stuff with their average cost per transaction and their transaction speed. However, they have addressed this, and I think it's a non-factor. But yeah, Solana is basically a decentralized blockchain built to enable scalable, user-friendly apps for the world. This is, a competitor to Ethereum. I don't think it's going to be quite as good as Ethereum when Ethereum moves to a proof of stake protocol. Right now they're in a proof of work, basically meaning that people mine for Ethereum. They're going to be moving away from that. That's going to solve their transaction fees and their transaction speeds. So Solana won't be quite as good as Ethereum once they do that. However, right now Solana has those things solved, and is growing very, very fast, yet it is only the 7th largest crypto. I think it should be a top 3 crypto personally. But yeah, so that's why I think we should be getting into Solana. They're getting into DeFi, NFTs, and Web3. They're doing amazing things here with Solana, but that's going to be the first crypto. Let's get into the second crypto, which is going to be Avalanche. So this is one that, if you guys don't know, I run this channel with my best friend Kyle. He has been on Avalanche for a while. He's been putting out buy alerts in our Discord since like $50 at one point. Yeah, so like $59, I believe it was. But anyways, in the past year, Avalanche has gone from being about $18 all the way to $70, about a 350% gain. Again, I don't know when they started tracking. Oh, they did start tracking a year ago. So 350%, obviously not quite as good as Solana. However, Avalanche is currently the 12th ranked crypto in terms of market cap. Their market cap sitting at about 27 billion. Compared to Solana, they're about half as valuable as Solana. Now, this isn't quite as good as a crypto as Solana. I don't think it should be top 3. However, I think this should be a top 5 or 6 crypto personally. They do about $81 billion worth of trading volume in the last 24 hours. That is about 20x what Shiba Inu coin has, and that's what we make videos a lot on this channel about. But we do like to talk about some other cryptos sometimes. And yeah, I mean, Avalanche doing pretty well today, up 4%, up 8% in the last week. Not quite as good as Solana, but the real kind of reason why you should be investing in AVAX is because of their blockchain, how blazingly fast it is, and low cost and eco-friendly. So Avalanche is the fastest smart contracts platform in the blockchain industry, as measured by time to finality. So if you guys don't know, once you initialize your transaction, once it's finalized, they are the fastest. Now, obviously, this comes with low cost as well. This isn't everything. Ethereum provides a lot more in terms of utility than AVAX does. However, AVAX is a very good at, it's the best at what it does, is being a fast smart contract platform. And I think there's places for different cryptos. I don't think it's just going to be Ethereum running the world. That would kind of go against the idea of crypto. So I think having AVAX, especially as a hedge against both Solana and Ethereum, is very good. But yeah, that's basically what AVAX does, is basically have a very fast blockchain, and they're very good at it. And you can obviously build dApps on this. It's a blockchain. You can do a lot with it, but really the reason that I invest in AVAX is because of the fastest smart contracts platform. And if you guys don't know, I'm a very big proponent of smart contracts, because I think that's how NFTs are going to be like the biggest thing in the future. Literally you're going to be able to go to a Rams game and you're going to have to buy an NFT to get in. And there's just so many possibilities. We're not going to get into NFTs right now, but AVAX is one of the better cryptos that are kind of undervalued right now. I'd say by, at least double their market cap. But anyways, let's get into the third and final crypto for today. Is going to be Decentraland. We are currently up 5% today. In the past year, it was up 1,400%, very similar to Solana. And this is a metaverse crypto, guys. So if you guys don't know, I am very bullish on metaverse cryptos. I personally invest in 3 metaverse cryptos. I'm not going to say what I do invest in, because you guys got to join the private Discord for that. But I do invest in Decentraland. I've been a big proponent of Decentraland. And yeah, they're up 18% in the past week. And we'll go over it more in just a second. But 1,000% or 1,400% in the past year, and up 5% today. They do about $51 million in trading volume. That's that's just public though. I think that's probably a lot more. Their market cap though, 5.85 billion. So if you look at AVAX, it's 27 billion. Solana, 54 billion. If Decentraland actually goes crazy like I think it can, Decentraland could possibly be tripling, quintupling, possibly even in the 10x range. This is really what I feel about. I feel like Mana could easily 10x in the next year, considering where we're at with metaverse. So if you guys don't know, Decentraland is basically the metaverse. You can create here you can see you can create, explore, trade in the first ever virtual world owned by its users. If you guys don't know, Samsung, the company Samsung, got into Decentraland, bought land, and opened up their own store within Decentraland. A lot of businesses are getting into the metaverse, and they are choosing Decentraland. That is why I've chosen this metaverse crypto to put in this video, as there's wide adoption by big businesses with this, and only more coming. But yeah, if you guys don't know, it's basically a DAO. Decentraland is a DAO. What this means, DAO stands for Decentralized Autonomous Organization. The Decentraland DAO owns the most important smart contracts and assets that make up Decentraland: the land contracts, the estate contracts, wearables, content servers, and marketplace. And it owns a substantial purse of mana, which allows it truly to be autonomous, as well as subsidize various operations and initiatives through Decentraland. Basically, what this means is that a DAO allows their community to vote on things, and and basically build the world how they want to build it. This metaverse is going to be built by the community and people that want to be in the metaverse. The kind of things that are going to come, you can upgrade your land, so you can buy land on here, you can upgrade it, you can sell it, you can basically gain on your mana. If you guys don't know, Decentraland is what it's called. Mana is the token. So the token will increase in value as Decentraland grows as a metaverse. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at. And also, guys, if you look here, you can see literally people are getting married within the metaverse. This is being put on by Rose Law Group. Literally, people are going to be attending this. I believe there's like 83,000 people attending this. Not only that, but you also have people like Ice Cube doing like literal free shows on here, and there's just a ton of events going on at all times. So the metaverse is really growing, a lot of people getting on here and big businesses getting into the metaverse. That's why I put Decentraland on or in this video. But yeah, I do want to remind you guys, those are going to be the 3 cryptos, by the way. But I do want to remind you guys, if you guys want to get a free stock, all you have to do is deposit $1 and you'll get up to $500 worth of free stock that you can do whatever you want with. You could sell it, you can invest it into other cryptos, other stocks, whatever you want to do with it. I personally got a $300 stock of Amazon. Might as well try your luck and deposit $1 on public with the first link in the description. Also, if you guys like what you saw here, we have a lot more buys that we put out, and we talk about a lot more cryptos. If you guys have questions on any of them, you can go ahead and join our private Discord, get our buy and sell alerts, and you're going to get one-on-one interactions with me, with Kyle, daily crypto alerts, buy alerts when we're buying, and first looks at new cryptos we are looking into. So if you guys want to get those, go ahead and join our private Discord at the second link in the description. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for coming through. I hope it brought you some value. If I did, leave a subscribe and a like. And yeah, my name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.